Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get the shifting grid Camo. This highly sought-after animated Camo brings a vibrant, dynamic green grid pattern to your weapons, making them truly stand out. To earn this impressive cosmetic, you'll need to conquer a challenging Parker course in a dedicated game mode. It's a test of skill and precision, but with the right approach, you can add this fantastic Camo to your collection. Your quest for the shifting grid Camo begins in the G3TH1GH3R Parker mode. This unique experience challenges you to navigate a complex obstacle course, aiming to reach the very top of the map. While you have a generous 15 minutes to complete the entire run, the real challenge lies in achieving a much faster time to secure the Camo. Get ready to jump, climb, and strategize your way to victory. To unlock the shifting grid Camo, you must complete the G3TH1GH3R course in under 10 minutes. This is the core challenge, and it demands efficiency. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts are slower. Consistent practice will help you master the route. Look for and exploit shortcuts throughout the map. These can shave off crucial seconds, making the 10-minute goal much more achievable. Every second counts. Success in G3TH1GH3R hinges on a few key strategies. First, maintain your composure and focus on precise movements, especially during difficult jumps. Remember, checkpoints are your friends. If you fall, you'll respawn at the last one, saving precious time. Also, patience is vital, particularly with moving platforms. Waiting a moment for the right timing can prevent a costly fall. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to earning that shifting grid Camo.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.